Hey there, are you curious where to find a business attorney that affordable in your budget when you just starting out your business or LLC? Well, this video, I would like to actually share with you the information that I used a long time ago, around 3 years ago, in order to speak with attorney in an affordable way. So this not like you spending 300 plus per hour to speak to them because I didn't have that kind of money before. You only need to actually spend less than $300 and you can speak with them within 6 months, unlimited. Okay, so let's dive into the resources and where you actually can get advantage of these products or services from LegalZoom. They do not sponsor me, but I'm proudly actually to share with you these resources in order to help you save money at the same time, help you to form a business legally at the same time to avoid any violations. Also, something that we are not aware because we are not business owners or business attorney or expert in the field because we're just starting out. All right, so let me actually share my screen here to jump into that at the moment. So if in the future and you think this is like valuable for you, and if I can find a link for you to use the service, please feel free to support me by using that link, and I really appreciate for it. So if you go to the legalzoom.com and under attorney tab, you will see the business attorney right here. That is where you can actually see and get legal help from experienced business attorney here. Um, get valuable legal services with unlimited 30-minute calls on new small business legal topics such as company setup, contract reviews, hiring, and compliance for monthly cost less than an hour with traditional attorney. So that is actually ridiculous affordable for you because there's some attorneys that I have to reach out is like $500 just like 30-minute talking to them, which is insane. And sometimes if you're not moving forward with their products or services, is non-refundable. It's a pain. So in here, I believe that they have a lot of states present in the America. I don't know how many states they have, but everything you can find here and you can start your plan. But actually, let's dive into why you should choose business legal plans from LegalZoom. I haven't found different services elsewhere because I haven't done research, but I just been using this before 2 times and spoke with the business attorney. So I feel like, you know what? It's actually easy to schedule. So that's why I'm going back to this. So predictable and affordable pricing. So you can get the legal help you need with predictable pricing that within your budget. Customers get unlimited 30 minutes calls on new topics for monthly costs that less than an hour with an attorney from a traditional firm. Hassle-free convenience. Our trust network of independent attorney is always ready to guide you step by step with even the most basic legal needs. No preparations required, and scheduling a consult is in a snap, which is really easy actually. Experience you can trust. With an average of over 15 years of experience operating a 4.5 out of 5-star, the vet attorney in their network, licensed in all 50 states, make sure the most trusted provider of legal services for small businesses. So you can have and choose the different business legal plan here, either month to month, or you can pay 6 months ahead of time. I highly recommend it to use this because actually bill annually. Oh, okay. So if you pay for 12 months, it's actually cheaper. Before I only use six months because I just want to try out to see how it works. So, but the thing is, what you see it here, it's like totally different number. It's like save you quite a bit of money. All right, so the business legal plans include unlimited 30 minutes attorney consultations on new legal matters, legal documents review up to 10 pages included, library of 150 plus downloadable business and personal legal forms. I did not actually use this before, which is kind of like not a smart idea of mine. Access to a rich editor to customize any documents from our legal forms library. Unlimited access to e-signature. 1 hour annual business evaluations and legal checkup available after 6 months. One copyright registrations per month. and 25% off additional attorney services through our attorney network and 10% off LegalZoom products. So let's see how they explain it here.
Does your business need legal help or advice from a business attorney? LegalZoom is here for you with predictable, affordable pricing and access to independent attorneys. To make finding and working with a business attorney simpler, we'll explain how to get the legal help you need with straightforward pricing that's within your budget. We'll also answer some frequently asked questions from business owners.
The purpose of a business attorney for your business is an attorney who can guide you, counsel you, support you. A major component of a business attorney is to review documents that you might be handed, needing to sign, contracts. They also can roadmap for you things to do as you build out your business, making sure that you hit all the benchmarks, you don't miss any deadlines, and just overall be that support for you.
And so you have to think, when do I want to use an attorney? Of course, possibly through LegalZoom where you can save a lot of money. But if it's an important situation, an important relationship, perhaps a contract or a document that's going to be a key component of your business, you want to make sure that it is set up properly. You don't want there to be questions left unanswered should there be some situation where everybody's not quite clear on what's supposed to happen.
LegalZoom is tried and true. They make a conscious effort to vet the attorneys that provide support for the LegalZoom members, both at the consultation level and at the referral level.
As you can see, an experienced attorney can be an invaluable resource to your business operations. But how much does a business lawyer cost? Looking for an attorney online is an easy way to find a range of options. Some law firms offer video calls, phone consultations, or online chats with lawyers. But costs can be unpredictable as rates vary for the type of legal services they provide and the number of hours they spend. LegalZoom offers plans with unlimited 30-minute calls on new topics for a monthly cost that's lower than the average hourly rate from a traditional law firm. If your business needs customized legal help, LegalZoom makes it easy. Pick your plan for a flat fee, then schedule your consultation at a convenient time. Our network of experienced attorneys is always ready to guide you step by step with even your most basic legal needs. Visit LegalZoom to make a plan and book your first call today.
Right. So even though I registered my LLC with different services, different brand, but I do definitely come back to LegalZoom and use their services with the attorney because it's ridiculous, affordable, and also at the same time will save a lot of money. Because like I said, I did 6 months for the memberships like this before, and you can literally just schedule on the website and one time with multiple attorneys from different law firms. As long as you read reviews and satisfied with their service, you can repeat and schedule them with them in the future or different process. But sometimes it can cost additional price when you do something separate. For instance, it's like operating agreements or some contract agreement with the employee or anything that's specific to your business. It might be that additional cost or hidden fees right there. But in here, I never actually done an LLC with LegalZoom, so I don't really know what are included in their services, so I cannot speak on their behalf. All right, so as you can see in here, experienced business attorneys sell legal guidance, and they have different resources, and also you can actually see the attorney in their network. And to start, you can pick a plan, either 6-month or 12-month subscriptions based on your budget and needs for access to experienced business attorney for one predictable, affordable price. 2, you can schedule a consultations, choose an attorney from their directory based on their state and legal issues, select an appointment time. We have already throughout vet every attorney in their network. So yeah, like I said, they have attorney in different legal aspect, when it depends on the state of your business. When you're just starting out, you form an LLC, what kind of like checklists are there for you to fulfill or need to have when you're just starting an LLC. And then when you move to the next step, you need to know it's like what kind of payment or what kind of to-do list or kind of paperwork in order to fulfill with the bank. They sometimes, if they don't have the expertise in there, they actually can refer you to different services, because you cannot ask like tax questions to the business attorney because they are not in their cup of tea. All right, so lastly, get the assistant you need. Receive a call from an attorney in your state who knows small business need. The attorney will be ready to discuss your first legal issues and answer your questions. So what is prepaid legal plan? A prepaid legal plan is a subscription services that give you access to legal advice and a range of legal services that typically cost less than a traditional lawyer. It can be convenient and cost-effective way to get legal assistance when you need. So this is my suggestion. Sometimes you don't have to even file an LLC to purchase this. You just actually purchase before file an LLC with either any different brands to actually learn about these kind of business, and before jumpstart, so you actually can really max out their service. How is prepaid legal plan different than regular business lawyers? Finding a traditional business attorney who is trustworthy, familiar with your area and industry, and can support your company's specific legal needs and can be difficult. Additionally, final costs can be unpredictable as business attorney rates will vary from the type of legal services they provide and the number of hours they spend. With a prepaid legal plan, the heavy lift is done for you. Every business attorney on the plan is reviewed and evaluated to ensure trustworthiness, legal knowledge, relevant experience, and because legal plan costs a flat rate that's paid upfront, pricing is more predictable.
Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best. You could be the King Kong banging on your chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk the God, go banging on his door. You could throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah.
Well, I think I actually can explain a little bit what is the reason they are so affordable price for this, because like I said, LegalZoom it's like a business, right? It's like a bridge, connect you the customer to an attorney. So it's like an agency or the representative that trying to build the database there, the membership base. So because they will make sure that these attorney will have enough or a lot of amount of clients, so they don't have to, so an attorney don't have to do the separate job, which is they have to marketing and advertising themselves elsewhere. So it's time consuming for the attorney to do so. So they would rather to have the flat rates and separate, because just imagine if they just charge, you got people like 200, 300 per hour, but they don't have like all day clients, then it will be less competitive, less clients than LegalZoom. So LegalZoom actually like offer them constantly clients and calls all day, every day. So they will have like the rates that are happy. So win-win situation for everybody. So I think it's really a smart business model here, and that's the reason why it's cost effective. All right, so moving on to the next way is 6 ways our legal plans can help your business. During your company life cycle, there are numerous times where having reliable legal advice can help you make more informed business decisions. With a prepaid legal plan, you will always have convenient access to legal assistance from experienced business lawyer for important events and at all the time in between. So business formations. When you're forming a new business, an attorney can advise which entity type to choose, review your upgrading agreement and other documents, and answer any other setup questions you have. So business grow. As your business get bigger or expand to a new market, an attorney can advise you on adding investor, help you make key hiring decisions, or review a lease for a new physical location. That's actually really good, because it's like you always need to have an attorney on your side. Then it's really important that your business need. Every move you make, everything you do, every decision you decide, you need an attorney to make sure that you not violate anything agreement between you, the employees, you and the investor, you and the business, or anything relate to business to business. Another one is day-to-day business. An experienced lawyer can assist the regular course or business, such as how to navigate state laws or review contract, non-disclosure agreement, NDA, and other legal documents. Compliance issues. To keep your business in good standing and avoid penalties, an attorney can answer questions about any post-formation filings required by your state, like operating agreements and annual reports. Litigating risk. If your company is sued for any reason, a business attorney can guide you to understand what to do and the proper procedures for how to respond to a lawsuit. Intellectual property. If your business needs to protect its name, logo, slogan, and other value creative work, a knowledgeable business lawyer can help you understand the trademark or copyright needs. So this is frequently asked questions, and I think it's really important. I'm starting a new business. What can an attorney help me with? If you're getting started, an attorney can help you to select formation type, review your operating agreement, review other formation documents, answer questions about how to stay compliant, and more. Select a formation type can be, LLC or S Corp, C Corp, or nonprofit. Everything, you just need to let them know. I already have a business. What can an attorney help me with? This is actually a good question because, you already do business, but what can you do? If your business is up and running, attorney can help a lot with including growing your business, including hiring, avoid potential litigations, making changes to your business if needed, because, protecting against compliance risks and fees, understanding how and when to protect your intellectual property, reviewing legal agreements such as NDA, non-disclosure agreement, contracts, and leases, providing guidance in other real estate matter. Are the attorney knowledgeable in specific areas of law? Yes, attorneys in our network can answer questions covering a wide range of practice area from business formations, intellectual property, and compliance to estate planning, family law, and more. Additionally, they are vets for their expertise in small business, and you can search our directory for an attorney that specializes in an area of law you need help with. Can I talk to an attorney who's local to me? Yes. Our network includes attorney licensed in all 50 states who know about both federal and local states law, and we carefully screen attorney for both professionalism and friendliness. Depending on your legal matter, a local attorney isn't always needed. Can an attorney assist me with completing form and filling done with the court? You can use attorney consultations for guidance with form and to ask questions about court fillings. If you want help filling, our plans provide 25% discount on your consulting attorney hour rate, subject to their discretion and availability. So this is just like a general informations, to reach out with attorney, but if they have to do additional services relate to anything outside of what the memberships offer, you have to pay for the attorney additional, but since this is like collaborate or cooperate with LegalZoom, so technically they do offer 25% discount. What are the limitations of the prepaid legal plans? Okay, this is actually a good question too. One way we make attorney access so affordable is to limit each consultation to a new legal matter. A new legal matter is specific person or business legal issues or a specific legal document that you haven't spoken to a network attorney about before. Also, our legal plans are set up to cover the most common area our customer need help with. If you need to retain an attorney for more complex or ongoing legal matters, the legal plans provide 25% discount on your consulting attorney hour rate. If I decide to cancel the plan, will you still assist me with the documents I purchased? If you decide no longer need to the plan you would like to cancel, you may still receive assistance from our customer care specialist for your purchase document, but you should note that they are not attorney and cannot provide legal advice. All right, so that is what they have in here for us. And I think it's really transparent and everything. Okay, then here, based on hourly rates of $250 per hour for a lawyer from a traditional law firms, based on a survey, small business owner asked to rate trustworthiness of both online attorney networks and a category of traditional offline law firms for launching and managing their business. The plan attorney will receive documents longer than 10 pages on a flat rate schedule at the attorney discretions. Starting from 11 to 15 page documents will be $39. 16 to 25 page documents will be $99. 20 plus page documents, attorney will contact you to agree on a price, which will include your 25% discount. So you can see that it's like attorney would really be expensive, and also like can cost around sometimes $500 per hour if they are top notch or top attorney. So just making sure that you're aware of this and save your time and money by using the right services and affordable like this, and hopefully it can help you to reduce any crazy thing in the future based on my own experience.